Trying food from the Himalayas in East London. This was a Nepalese restaurant with a more modern twist. You'll see what I mean. We got the 6-course tasting menu, but first up, a drink. This is a masala pina colada and it's so refreshing. The spices add an extra layer of flavor, and there's a strong ginger taste that gives it a nice kick. Now onto the food. No shade, but it was quite funny when this boat tray was brought out and we were told these were the first 4 courses. So first up, a lamb momo. The mince was spiced just right and the pastry was crisp. That dressing though, whoa. Don't be fooled by its salsa-like appearance, it was a fiery one. Next up we have laphing, which is a steamed rice roll. Inside there's fried ramen bits, peanuts, and boar mince. It was at this point I started wondering how Nepalese people actually eat this, because I'm sure it's not with a knife and fork, and so sorry for making such a mess of it. But the fried ramen was so interesting. It added a bit of texture and lightness to the otherwise heavily seasoned mince. Now onto the skewer. The star here is the octopus. Chewy, meaty, and this dish was pretty spicy too. I started glugging water like crazy and no, it did not help. Last of the first 4, oyster bhaji. I love the grapefruit here, such a refreshing sourness, and this bhaji was so crispy. It held its form even under the sauce, which was very much appreciated. This next one I'm having for the first time. It's called chatamari, a rice and lentil base topped with, in this case, goat curry. They described it as a pizza and I can see why. It had a tomato base and some mozzarella. The goat curry was fab, tender from the slow cooking, and the ginger that it came with was really light. Last but not least, this massive tower of sweetness arrived. Donuts soaked in syrup, ice cream, cardamom molasses, and pistachio candy floss. The cardamom molasses was the highlight. So cardamom-y and so unique. And that's all for today.